Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best party chair covers is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective ways to elevate any event, transforming ordinary chairs into elegant statements that perfectly complement your chosen theme, ensuring that every guest experiences a touch of sophistication from the moment they arrive, making your celebration truly memorable and visually stunning. Number 5. VEVOR 100 PCS Beige Chair Covers. Elevate your event with these elegant beige chair covers. Made from a durable blend of polyester and spandex, they offer both comfort and a sophisticated look. These covers are designed to protect your chairs from spills, scratches, and daily wear. The elastic material ensures a snug fit, keeping your furniture looking its best. With a generous pack of 100, these covers are designed to fit most standard chairs without armrests, including dining, banquet, and stacking styles. Please check the dimensions to ensure a perfect match. Featuring 4 elasticated pockets at the bottom, these covers stay securely in place. This thoughtful design not only ensures a neat appearance but also enhances durability for repeated use. Setting up these covers is a breeze, simply stretch them over your chairs. They are also easy to clean, requiring no ironing, and can be washed by hand, machine, or dry cleaned. Perfect for a wide range of events, from weddings and banquets to parties and business meetings, these covers add a touch of class to any indoor or outdoor setting. What we like? This option offers excellent protection for your chairs with its durable and elastic material. The bottom leg pockets ensure a snug fit, keeping the cover securely in place. If you are looking for a versatile cover that provides full around protection and is suitable for various events, this is a great choice. What people say. Great quality, very easy to put on and fit our venue's chairs perfectly. We had no wrinkling, zero steaming or ironing was required. These worked great for our wedding reception. These were easy to fit onto the chairs. They were stretchy and did not need ironing. They washed easy and did not bleed color. Those covers are amazing, very easy to install. The deco looks elegant and very delicate. Number 4. Howhic Folding Chair Covers, 100 PCS Black. Transform your folding chairs instantly with our premium covers. They are designed for a snug fit, making setup a breeze for any party or wedding. Our covers feature elastic foot pockets that ensure a tight, secure fit. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also protects your floors, indoors or out. Get 100 pieces in each package, perfect for family gatherings and events. You'll have plenty to dress up all your chairs for any occasion. Save money with these cost-effective covers. They are far cheaper than renting. Plus, they are machine washable and reusable, offering great long-term value. Enjoy easy maintenance as they are machine or hand washable and dry quickly. They resist stains and wrinkles, so no ironing is needed. Designed with 4-way stretch fabric, these covers easily slip onto most standard folding chairs. Please check our size chart to ensure the perfect fit for your needs. What we like? These covers are designed for a hassle-free setup, making them ideal for quick event preparations. The elastic foot pockets ensure a neat appearance and floor protection. If you need a cost-effective and durable solution for family parties or small gatherings, this 100 pack is a practical option. What people say. The covers fit perfectly on every chair. Some chair backs were on the taller side and the covers stretched with no problem. There is a piece of elastic that also stretches over the bottom of the foot of the chair, and even with sliding the chairs in and out it remained in place. After the party these were washed and dried and still look brand new. The chair covers are perfect for indoor-outdoor events. They slip on very easily. The colors are beautiful and vibrant. And can be used over and over again, even after washing. Great way to hide ugly folding chairs. Number 3. Sparkles Make It Special Polyester Folding Chair Covers, 100 PCS White. Transform your ordinary chairs into stunning decor with our premium event chair covers. Designed to fit standard folding chairs, they are perfect for weddings, anniversaries, and upscale dining experiences. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and wrinkles. These chair covers are machine washable and dryer safe, offering a low-maintenance solution for any celebration. Experience long-lasting quality with our chair covers. Their durable construction and precision detailing ensure your chairs look polished and professional at every event. Crafted from the finest polyester, these slipcovers are resistant to stretching, tearing, and fading. Each one is ready to use, giving you peace of mind as you plan your special day. Forget rental fees. Our affordable chair covers offer professional-grade quality at a fraction of the cost. Create memorable moments without breaking the bank. What we like? Achieve a stunning transformation for your chairs with these premium covers, perfect for upscale events. They are incredibly easy to care for, being machine washable and stain resistant. If you are planning a wedding, anniversary, or any formal reception and want a polished, professional look without the rental cost, these are an excellent selection. What people say. Nice linen look for less fabric. I ordered the color ivory and they are a nice soft white, not too yellow. Wash up like a dream. Recommend wash and dry for first-time use as they are somewhat wrinkled and ironing is just not in my job description. These covers really dressed them up. They were easy to apply, slipped right over our folding chairs. Our chairs are old and this helped cover up any problem areas. Totally changed the look of the party. We got lots of compliments. Number 2. Juvale Gold Chair Sashes, 100 pack. Elevate your event's ambience with these stunning metallic gold chair sashes. They are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any folding, banquet, or dining chair, making your space shine. From weddings and graduations to anniversaries and holidays, these sashes are the perfect accessory. They provide a sophisticated finish to your seating arrangements, no matter the occasion. Crafted from durable polyester, these sashes offer a stretch fit for various chair styles, including banquet and patio. They are reusable and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting beauty. Measuring approximately 34.9 by 12.2 centimeters, they fit a wide range of chairs. These decorative tiebacks deliver a truly stunning visual impact. This generous pack includes 100 gold chair sashes. You'll have plenty to elegantly adorn your entire venue, creating a cohesive and luxurious look. What we like? Add a touch of glamour to your event with these metallic gold sashes, featuring elegant silver buckles. They are crafted from high-quality, stretchable polyester for a versatile fit. If you want to elevate the look of your banquet or dining chairs for weddings, graduations, or parties with a sophisticated metallic accent, these are the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect for banquet chairs, stretch was good. Very nice, helps to brighten the room. The quality of the gold sashes are excellent. They are well made. They is thicker than that thin spandex material. Great product. Number 1. LANN'S White Spandex Folding Chair Covers. Transform your standard folding chairs into glamorous seating. Our covers provide a smooth, clean line for a sophisticated look at any event. Designed for repeated use, these covers are built to last. Double-stitched seams ensure they retain their shape and resist wear and tear. Enjoy a crisp, wrinkle-free appearance with our premium weight spandex. They are specially designed to repel stains, maintaining a chic finish. Save time and money with easy, machine-washable care. No ironing is needed, and the color-fast dyes ensure they won't fade or bleed. Perfect for any occasion, from elegant weddings to busy restaurants. They offer both style and durability for any setting. The hemmed edges provide a secure fit, creating a streamlined silhouette. They are designed to fit most standard folding chairs perfectly. What we like? These covers offer a sleek, modern look that instantly upgrades standard folding chairs into glamorous seating. They are built for repeated use with double-stitched seams and are wrinkle and stain resistant for a consistently crisp appearance. If you need durable, stylish, and easy-to-maintain covers for frequent use in restaurants, hotels, or for elegant events like weddings and banquets, these are a fantastic investment. What people say. The covers stretch easily and were simple to install. Another plus is they are easy to wash, dry and store for another occasion. Easily stretches to dress up the chairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.